Imagine a factory capable of producing nearly 20,000 cigarettes every hour with incredible speed and precision. Every step, from tobacco preparation to final packaging, is handled by advanced automated machinery. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how this fascinating manufacturing process works. The process begins with carefully prepared tobacco. Different tobacco varieties are blended together to achieve a consistent flavor, aroma, and moisture level. Before production starts, the tobacco is cleaned, conditioned, and stored in large feeding systems that continuously supply the production line. Automated conveyors transport the tobacco to high-speed cigarette-making machines. Sensors carefully regulate the amount of tobacco entering the system, ensuring every cigarette contains the correct quantity for consistent quality. A giant roll of cigarette paper feeds into the machine at remarkable speed. The tobacco is evenly distributed across the paper, which is then wrapped into a continuous rod. A thin line of food-grade adhesive seals the paper, creating a perfectly formed cylinder ready for the next stage. The continuous tobacco rod travels through precision cutting equipment. Sharp rotary blades slice it into individual cigarette lengths within milliseconds. Thousands of perfectly identical cigarettes are produced every hour without slowing down the production line. The cigarette rods and filters are synchronized on fast-moving conveyors. A strip of tipping paper wraps around both pieces, while adhesive permanently bonds them together. Within seconds, a finished filtered cigarette emerges from the machine. Every cigarette passes through electronic inspection systems. High-speed cameras and sensors check the weight, length, diameter, filter alignment, tobacco density, and overall appearance. Any product that fails these inspections is automatically removed before packaging. Approved cigarettes are counted automatically and transferred into packaging machines. Aluminum foil protects freshness while cardboard packs are formed around the cigarettes. The packaging system works continuously, producing perfectly sealed packs ready for distribution. Individual packs are grouped into larger cartons. The finished cartons move along conveyor belts toward the shipping area. Additional quality checks verify packaging integrity before robotic systems stack the cartons for delivery. Automatic machines fold, seal, print production codes, and wrap each carton in protective film. Every package is carefully prepared for transportation while maintaining product quality. Thanks to advanced automation and precision engineering, the entire factory operates efficiently with minimal manual handling, producing thousands of finished products every hour.